Sairam children, I welcome you all in computer science class. Children, in the last video we have discussed about hexadecimal. All the conversion of hexadecimal we have discussed, whether we have done hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to binary, or binary to hexadecimal. All possible conversion we have discussed, children. See, today is the last part of this chapter, data representation. So last topic we are going to discuss today. Let's see what is there. So today we are going to discuss about the binary addition. Like what is binary? Anything in the combination of 1 and 0, that is called binary. So now we will add in binary. Like in maths we do 2 plus 3. And what we do in the maths, 2 plus 3 is 5. Or if we are having 7 and 8, 17 plus 8, so 8 plus 7 is 15. So we are giving carry here, so that gives you 2. Okay, so these types of calculation is there in the binary. Today we are going to discuss about that. And last topic, that is character string representation. How actually our computer understand the things whatever we are giving to computer. Like if it is a character like capital A, if we talk about capital A, if we talk about small a, whatever button we are pressing with the help of the keyboard, how computer is taking that, okay, how it is converted to the computer format. Okay, today we are going to learn about all these things. Let's start. See, binary addition. So in this we are having 5 cases. 5 cases means if we are adding two zeros, 0 plus 0, you will get 0 answer. If you are adding 0 plus 1, it gives you 1 answer. If you are adding 1 with 0, you will get 1 answer. And if two ones are adding with each other, like in maths 1 plus 1 is 2, but in computer it is like this. 1 plus 1, it gives you 0 and 1 goes in the carry. Okay, if three ones are there, then like 1 1 1. Okay, sorry, not like this. Let's see, if like this, 11 plus this. Okay, let me give you example for that. 11 plus 11, like this. So 1 1 is 0 here, and it gives you 1 carry here. So 3 ones together, so here 1 remains here and 1 again goes in carries. You will get 1 1 0 in this way. So we are having 2 or 3 questions based on this. Let's see and understand. So this is the first question. First question is, we are having like this binary and this binary we are having. We need to add both of them and see what answer we are getting. We will see with that. Okay, try to understand, children, all 5 cases. Try to understand those cases. After that only you are able to understand the addition of this. So let's solve this. Let's solve this. First, let me zoom this. See, now I hope you are able to see this question very clearly. See, children. Now, see, this one and this one gives you 0 here, and it 1 carry also. So this is your carry. Okay, so 1 and 0 gives you 1, but again one more 1 is there, so it becoming case of 1 plus 1. So again it gives you 1 0. Okay, so 0 remains down and 1 goes in carry. So this is a situation here. So 1 1, it means 1 plus 1 is 0. So 0 remains here. Again it gives you 1 carry here. Okay, now in the third row, if you concentrate in this row, I'm talking about in this column. Okay, so in this column 3 ones are together. So when 1 plus 1 plus 1 is there, so 1 also goes down and 1 in the carry. So 1 is here in the down and 1 is in the carry. I hope you are getting my point. So 1 is here and 1 is in carry. Now uh, concentrate this column. Okay, so 1 0 0, it means only 1 is adding with 0, it means you will get 1 only. So here you are getting 1. Okay, okay, now let's check next column, this column. Now again two ones are together, 1 plus 1, it gives you 0 in the down and 1 in the carry. So 0 in down and 1 is carry here. Okay, now check this column. What combination you are having? 1 plus 1. So again 1 plus 1 is 0 in the down and 1 is carry. So 0 here in the down and 1 is carry. Again 1 plus 1 combination. So 0 in the down and 1 is carry. So 0 in the down, 1 is carry here. So in the last column, if you concentrate here, you are having 1 plus 0 plus 0. It means this combination you will get 1. I hope you get my point. Let's check another example. Another example is this. Now you are having one binary this and second binary is this. You need to add both of them. So concentrate on both all 5 cases, then solve it. How? Let's see. See, this 1 and this 0 add together. 1 plus 0 gives you 1. So you are getting 1 here. Now concentrate on this column. So 1 plus 1 is 0 in the down and 1 carry. So you are having 0 in the down and 1 carry here. Okay, so concentrate on this column now. So what combination you are having here? 1 plus 1, that means 0 in the down and 1 carry. So 0 in the down and it giving 1 carry here. Okay, in the next last column also you are having the same combination, 1 plus 1. It gives you 0 in the down and 1 carry. So 0 in the down and 1 carry. So in this way you can add two binaries. Okay, I hope the both questions are clear to you. Now two more questions are there in front of you. Let's solve that. Your concept become more clear. I'm zooming this too. So one in this is your first binary and this is your second binary. You need to add both of them. Let's check out. So in this you are having 0, you are having 0 and 1. It means 1 plus 0 is 1. So you are getting 1 here. Okay, now check next column here. Here 1 plus 1 means 0 in the down and 1 carry. So 0 in the down and 1 carry here. Okay, now check out this middle column. Again you are having combination of two ones. 1 plus 1 is 0 down and 1 carry. Again and again I am repeating my words. So 0 in the down and you are having 1 carry here. Okay, now let's check this column. Again 1 plus 1 combination is there, 0 down and 1 carry here. Again same combination, 1 plus 1, it means 0 in the down and 1 carry. So in this way you can easily solve these types of question. Now one more question is there, but this question is in the binary form plus decimal form. It means binary in the decimal. So let's add this 1 gives you 0, 1 carry. This 1 gives you 0, 1 carry. Now 3 ones together, 1 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and again 1 carry. So try to solve this question in your notebook, children. After that you will not face any problem. Okay, now our next topic about the sky codes, children. So what is the full form of sky? Or we can call ASCII code. ASCII code means American Standard Code Information Interchange. Okay, children. So this is also pronounced with the word ASCII. It is American standard code for information interchange. Okay, children, the most widely used alphanumeric encoding scheme is this ASCII. Okay, so basically it is a 7-bit code. 7-bit code means like this. 7 bits are present in this, and we need to make column like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 bits are there. So 7 means 2 ki power 7. It means 128 combination is there. Try to understand this, children. Like in keyboard we are having different words, different alphabet, like capital alphabet, small alphabet, escape, delete, backspace. We are having different keys in the keyboard, children. Okay, so with the help of this sky we can represent these things with the help of numbers. So those numbers belongs to this 128 combination. Like it starts from 0 and it ends at 127, children. Okay, so okay, children, so I'm saying that from 0 to 127 each number represents something from keyboard. Let's take one example, like capital A. If we press capital A, according to us we are pressing capital A, but for computer it means is 65. Now this 65 is converted into the binary form so that computer can understand that. So capital A means 65, capital B means 66, capital C means 67, capital D means 68, so on. In this way A to Z, so till 90. So here A is representing 65 and Z, capital Z, represent 90. Okay, so from 0 to 127 each number represents something from the keyboard. Like small a starts from 97, small b means 98. In the same manner 48 represents 0, 49 represent 1, 50 represent 2, 51 means 3, 52 means 4. In this way every key of keyboard represented with special sky code, and after that code is converted into the binary form so that computer can easily understand that. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. So this is your partial listing of sky code. See, I told you that capital A represents 65 in decimal, and 7-bit sky it represents like 100001. Okay, so we need to understand this, how we can make this sky code. Okay, see children, understand it carefully. Like this is your 7-bit table: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, this is your 7-bit column I have made. So this first column is 1, this is 2, okay, and this is 4, and this is 8, this is 16, this is 32, and last is 64, children. Okay, understand this carefully. If we want to represent capital A, it is showing 65. Okay, you are understanding me? So how we can make 65? We can say that 64 plus 1 is 65. So this is the column of 64. You can put simply 1 here, and it is a combination with 1, so put 1 here. So put 0 in next of the column. So in this way this 65 can be represented in the sky code, in the 7-bit sky code. We are not converting into binary like this, like previously we were doing like this. If we want to convert decimal into binary, we are converting like this, divide by 2, and you are getting something like, in this you are getting something 3 2 just 6, 32 point something, or it represent like this. No, this is not a correct method. In this you have to fill the 7-bit code and you have to make the pair. Again I am repeating. See children, like B is representing 66. Understand this. Now make this 7-bit column. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make one more column. Okay, so I'm changing the color of this. So this represent 1, this represent 2, this represent 4, this represent 8, this represents 16, then 32, then 64. Okay, now this is a position value for every block. Now how you can make 66? 66 can be a combination of 64 plus 2. So at the place of 64 put 1, at the place of 2 put 1, and rest of the places is filled by 0. Okay, so this would be a 7-bit sky code for B. Okay, you are able to see this code here. See, same you are getting here. So in this way you can convert into 7-bit code. I hope you are getting my point. Now let's take one example. The following is a message encoded in the sky code. What is the message? Now what you have to do, you have to understand. See, this is your sky code, okay, and you have to convert into a message form. So at the end it means help. So how you can do that? There is a two option. Now you can convert each individual binary code into the decimal format, or what you can do, you can check in the previous table whose binary is that. Now this is 48 binary according to the table. This is a binary of 45. This is a binary of 4C, and this is a binary of 50. Okay, so according to that 48 means, see, according to that, what is the meaning of 48? See here. Okay, see here. See, this 48 is in hexadecimal and it means H. Okay, how you can how we have solved this? Now again check. In this first, this message, this binary is converted into hexadecimal form. How? Start making pair like this 4 pair and this 4 pair. So 100 is a decimal of 100 is a binary of 4 and this is a binary of 8. It becomes 48. Now again make pair of this like this. Okay, 45 it represents. So this is 4 and this is 5. Again make pair like this. This is 4C. Then again make pair like this. This is 50. So this is a 0 binary and this is 5 binary. So this is in the hexadecimal format. Now in the table I have seen like this. Again I am showing this table in the hexadecimal. 48 means this. Okay, and if you see like this, it means H. Okay, so next number was 45. 45 means E. Then 4. What is the meaning of 4 in that hexadecimal? So let me show you 4C. See, 4C means this. Next is 50. This is this. In this way you can convert whole sky code into the into a message. So initially first you have to convert into hexadecimal. How you can convert into the hexadecimal? By distributing into the 4 bit groups, then search according to that into the search into the table. According to that, whatever letter you are getting, that would be your message. Okay, now let's talk about next is ASCII codes, Sky codes. Okay, so this Sky code is Indian script code for information interchange, children. This is a full form of this. What is the full form? Is that Indian script code for information interchange. This standard does does not only apply to Devanagari script but also Gurumukhi, Gujarati, um, then Odia. It is Odia, Bengali, Assami, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, and Tamil script. So, with the advent of computerization, considerable work has been undertaken to facilitate the use of Indian languages on computer. So, these activities were generally limited to specific languages and were independent exercises of various organization, children. So, this code has been generated for the Indian languages. Okay. Now, next is Unicode. See, children. Unicode is basically used for the foreigner languages. If we talk about the different websites, now websites are present on the internet in many languages, so all the languages should be understood by everyone. For that, this Unicode has been launched in the market. Okay, launch in the market. So we will not go so deep in this Unicode, children, like we have discussed Sky code. So you need to understand only one thing about this. These encoding schemes represent different sets of characters belong to different languages. See, we are having different languages on the internet, on the world wide web. So that everything should be understood by everyone, so we have encode many things in the Unicode. Okay, so in this, what we are doing, actually we are assigning every characters into sorry every assigning a number to each of the characters. So different characters are there, and each character is represented with a number, so that, like, capital A is 65, capital B is 66. In this way, foreign languages, other languages also assigned by few characters. Okay, for that we use Unicode. It defines multiple encoding system to represent characters. Now we are having three uh, Unicode encoding unique encoding schemes, that is UTF-16, UTF-32. So UTF means Unicode Transformation Format, or we can say the Universal Transformation Format. Now only this 8, 16 and 32 means we are increasing the size, we are increasing the options for the different symbols only, but it is working like this Sky code. Like in this Sky code you are having only 128 combination, but in Unicode we are having many option. Okay, this 8, 16 and 32 represent that. Okay, so with this your chapter has been finished. Let's discuss one more question. You have to convert this following HOTS, main and case into the Sky code. So you can check what is the what decimal number we can use for H, what decimal number we can represent for O, then T, then S. According to that you can convert into like this, substituting 2-digit decimal Sky value for a given letter. For H, 72 number is there in the Sky code. For O, 79 is there. For T, 84 is there, and for S, 83 is there. Okay, in this way you can easily convert into the decimal form. After that you can easily convert into the binary form. How you can make the 72 combination, like 64 plus 32, it gives you 696. So it is a bigger number, so this combination is wrong. So next option you are having 16, 64 plus 16, this gives you 780. So that is also a greater number, this combination is also false. Then you are having 64 plus 8, it gives you 12, then 72. So this is right. So this H we can make with the help of 64 and 8 combination. So like this, again make 7-bit combination, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32, then this is 64. So at the place of 64 put 1, at the place of 8 put 1, rest is 0 here. So in this way you can convert into the binary form also. What we have done, I am repeating, find out exact decimal code for H with the help of the sky code table, for O, for T, for S. After that you can convert into the binary format easily by making the 7-bit code. Okay children, so I hope all the concept has been clear to you children. Basically this chapter is finished now, but few more questions I would like to discuss with you, or I'm making notes also, that notes also I'm going to discuss with you. So I will make one more video for this chapter and for the previous chapter. In the previous chapter, that is binary boolean logic, in that one student has complained me that two topics I forgot to explain, but I didn't remember for that. So let's take those topics also in upcoming video, so that all the concepts should be clear to you. Okay, till then take care of yourself, complete your work and solve more and more questions so that your concept become more clear. Thank you so much.